good evening, good afternoon, or good morning, depending on where you're at. Just a little quick update on my online business progress. It's going slow. There are a ton of videos, a ton of lesson plans, things to learn, hiccups, which I had this time on my accessing the website and not having particular modules in the correct location was a little bit of a setback, but that's okay. They fixed that for me. And also my modules being in the opposite order, and I'm now doing the elite curriculums, which I should have done first, which I'm doing last. And instead of I started out with modules the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But that's okay, right? So when I get to review my modules 1 through 5, I'll have a little bit of an idea of what's going on, right? So all of it's a plus and a positive. So I was just in the process of designing of the website, and they help substantially with the designing of the website. They do pretty much the whole back end and connecting and everything, which is fantastic. So just trying to get creative and come up with ideas for content. So I read a book recently that was recommended to me by a cousin, and she knew what I was going through, and she goes, I got a book for you to read. And I'm like, okay. So I figured, I'll try to do a blog. And I've never done a blog. I don't even know if I've ever read one, to be honest with you, to know what blogging's all about. So something to learn, to add to my tool belt, my skills belt. I'm going to call it my skills belt. There we go. So I'm going to try to figure out, I was reading some things that were giving you some kind of, the wording, I'm a loss for words, it's after work. Some kind of steps to go by to make sure, you know, you're being thorough and giving the right data for your blog. And I thought, oh yeah, I could do a little snippet of the picture and get a little link to the author or whatever. And I got to learn about copywriting. You can't just copy and paste, because or if you don't have an affiliate account, you can't recommend them going to a particular website to purchase this thing unless you're referencing your affiliate number. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it's making it so complex. Seems so complex. I'm sure it's fairly easy once you do it, maybe. I've never done it. So this simple little task I'm thinking about doing is just so I can add some content, just becomes a bigger project than I started out with. So that is where I am in my process of doing my online business. There is a ton of homework that needs to be done and that I'm going through. I'm just going to take it piece by piece. I am still working full-time, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Therefore, I have a couple hours every evening, and that's where I am working on it. So thank you for listening. Thank you for following. If you like, thumbs up for a like. And if you want to hear more about my journey, subscribe to my channel, and I will try to keep everybody posted. And once I learn how to do the video clips of data and training information, I'll be able to do some snippets and let you guys see what's going on as I'm going through the process, and keep every update. Thanks. Bye.